Classic symptoms of cylinder misfiring or head gasket leak. Welcome back to the channel. I am Ravi here. Let me show you the mileage on this Toyota Prius 3rd Gen. 446,000 miles. That means almost 718,000 kilometers. Wow. Such an incredible high mileage in this Toyota Prius hybrid. All the symptoms and all the issues can be here. Okay, let's go and hook up the scan tool and get the health report and see the scan data. I need to see what are the fault codes available and try to find some misfire data in the misfire counters. Customers regular shop who is doing the maintenance and things for this car already has found that number one cylinder is misfiring, and he has done several things including changing spark plug and ignition coils and have done several things in order to get rid of this bad vibration, but still there. So he asked for second opinion, so that is why customer brought this car here today. So I am going to diagnose it today. So this is the complete health report, but just we can see one fault code in the engine control module, that is PO420, catalytic system efficiency below threshold. So that is normal, and I believe this is normal for this kind of high mileage car. Definitely catalytic system efficiency could be in a below threshold. And another thing is this car has a heavy misfire or something going on. You saw the vibration. In that case, this code is normal, so I don't need to chase this PO420. I need to chase this misfiring condition caused for the bad vibration. So let's check what are the AF learn values in last few trips. You can see 8 to 12 data bits, that various RPM conditions. You can see all the data is below 5%, so which is perfect. I can't say anything wrong with that data. It is something like full trim, but not exact full trim, but AF compensation. Okay, let's start the engine and see the live data stream. When start this engine, definitely shaking and that huge vibration going on several seconds, like 30-40 seconds, and then it become normal and keep it in a good idle condition. So now car is in the engine running mode. So let's see the data and try to find something going on wrong. I need to check the misfire data, because I saw that if sensor compensation values are in good conditions. um, okay, let's move down and see other data, what we can find anything wrong. Look at that, 35 to 38 misfire data for the four cylinders, but zero misfires. So at this moment I can't find misfiring cylinder. uh, and let's go and see the fuel trim data too, because we can reveal what is really going on right now with the fuel trim data. And look at this, long term fuel trim is around 0, and MAF sensor around 6.7 grams, which is pretty okay at this RPM. MAP sensor seems okay. And let's see short term fuel trim. Here it is. It is also almost in 0%, so we can't say anything with the fuel trim data. So let me select just few data bits which I can observe all together and try to find something, including the AF sensor data and misfire data with the engine RPM, map, MAF and fuel trim data. So then let's try to find something. Here we go. You can see ignition advance is around 10 degrees, and special thing is we can't see still cylinder misfire. All the cylinders are zero misfiring. Now fuel trim is doing something. Long term is around -6 and short term is around 0. So that means total trim is around -6. So we can't say anything with that value, but it is a little bit high for this car, just a little bit, but we can't say anything. All the other things seems okay. So I can't say anything with these data, and I can't find which is misfiring. Actually, at this moment, I can't feel the misfires, but I feel little bit of raw fuel smell. I don't know what is going on really. So really helpless with this data right now. The condition going on here, but what I need to say at this moment, engine is very smooth, no any rough idling or any vibration condition. It's running just smoothly. How long we have been waiting? I can't see any misfire in the misfire counters. You can see all the misfires are zero. So my next check will go to the number one cylinder upon customer information which I got earlier, because customer told that already other shop has found number one cylinder is misfiring occasionally. So I'm going to put my Borescope into the number one cylinder and see what is going on, because I highly suspect about the gasket leak with the high mileage of this Toyota Prius hybrid. So let's put this Borescope into the number one cylinder and see what is really going on. Hardest thing is insert my camera into the cylinder through this tiny hole. So let's try and see really what is inside. So I can see something. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. You can see it is filled with the coolant, this red color coolant. So no need more evidence. This is a huge gasket leak. So after we found this condition, customer told that he experienced he's losing coolant when he had a long run. So confirm this car has a gasket issue and need a new gasket repair work, or I believe better this car replace a new engine if need. I mean at least junkyard engine. Here you can see that my Borescope has touched that coolant fill in the cylinder. So confirm we got the eyewitness. This car has a gasket leak. So customer will manage what to do next. And I just bring this video for you for your awareness and how to diagnose simply. So thank you for watching. Stay subscribed with us for more diagnostic videos.